Hi everyone, we're going to consider the following function defined by its graph and find the following limits. So this is the graph we're given, and just as a recall, a limit is an output. It's the y value, and it's a number. It's a numerical value. So we're going to get started. This is just a little introduction, and we're going to start with this. This is read the limit as x approaches -2 from the left. So this negative here means from the left of f of x. Or you can say the limit of f of x as x approaches -2 from the left. So let's find -2. So this is your x value. All right. So that means we're going to go from the left, and we start over here at this graph. We go up here, we make a jump, then we go through here, and we stop here at 3. So this equals 3. Now, from the limit as x approaches -2 from the right, this one of f of x means you start from the right and you proceed to -2. Don't have to make a jump here because that's closed. Go all the way up, and that equals 4. So basically, when we do this one, the limit as x approaches -2 of f of x, when it doesn't have a plus and minus, that means you have to do both, which we already did. But when you're doing both, it's like your friend and you want to meet up at -2, somewhere along here at the same place. So you travel this way and come at point 3. Your friend travels this way, and she ends up at 4. So since the limits aren't the same, that means it does not exist because you did not meet up at the same place. All right? If they asked you, which they aren't on this, but if they asked you what is f of -2, so just what is the y value there, you would have to say it's 4. All right? So that means this is not continuous in this area. Let's do the next one. Okay, so the next one says find the limit as x approaches -5 of f of x. So basically it's the same thing. So we're going to have to take the limit as x approaches -5 from the left, and also the limit as x approaches -5 from the right. All right, so from the left, we go up here, and we're going to -5. And we want the y value, and that's at 3. And then from the right, you travel this here. Kind of have to make a jump down here, but you end up here at 4. Since these two numbers aren't the same, then the limit does not exist. In fact, if you ask what is the limit, or what is f of -5, that would equal 3. So it equals that limit, but not that. Again, that means it's not continuous, but that's not what the video is about. So let's do this one. The limit as x approaches 5 of f of x. That means we're going from the left. Let's see where we end up. Jump up here, go up here, jump up here, and we're going to 5. We end up at 2. Now let's start from the left, or the right. You go up here, and we also end up at 2. Since at both places we end up at 2, then the limit is 2. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.